Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to change your mouse scroll speed in Windows 11. So in order to change the mouse scroll speed, first go to the setting option, click on Bluetooth and devices, scroll down, click on mouse option. Here we have the option to adjust your mouse scroll speed. Use the slider to set your preferred speed. And now you can see scroll speed has increased. We have one more method to change the scroll speed. Search with the mouse setting. Under the mouse setting, go to the additional mouse setting. Click on wheel. Here we have this vertical scrolling option. From here also you can increase and decrease your scroll speed. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to Junaid TechWala.